Swahili vocabulary: food, chakula; tea, chai; bread, mkate; potatoes, viazi; rice, mchele; maize, mahindi; beans, maharagwe; sugar, sukari; salt, chumvi; pepper, pilipili; milk, maziwa; water, maji; tomatoes, nyanya; onions, vitunguu; flour, unga; eggs, mayai; fish, samaki; meat, nyama; chicken, kuku; coffee, kahawa. If you want personalized lesson, I got you. Just write to me an email and book your classes today. Kwaheri, tutaonana.